Hi everyone, it's Marlena with Planning is My Jam. I am using my current month with notes, which is dated, to set up my October for tracking my Tula 12 business. So I'm just going to show you how I take a ruler and connect these boxes and how I'll use them for tracking my business. So this part is the only small, tedious little part that will take place. But as you can see, I'm just using the ruler and connecting the boxes because there is a small gap between them. And then once I get that finished, I will label them and give you all the details. I tried to use colors for fall, and I used one of my favorite marker brands, which is the Zebra Midliners. They're double-ended and they don't bleed through the paper, so that's really nice. Just got one more box to go. See, it's all coming together. I'm really glad how it's coming out. I just need to connect this one box. And here we go. So I use this section for any new team members or current team members that are on my team. On this side, I also use it for planning, the art of planning and journaling with Tula 12 if I have customers for that. This section I like to use for tracking my PV for the month. So obviously you can write more than 1K in here, but I just stopped at that point. And then I use the section for book club members that I also host using Tula 12 products that we have and inserts to use. And the calendar I really just utilize for any upcoming vendor events that I may have, or if I have parties going on that I want to schedule, or any important releases from the company, I'll fill in those in the box as well. And our payday, that kind of thing. So you can really utilize this however works best for you or your small business that you use. But this is just how I use the month with notes for Tula 12. It helps me definitely keep on track, and I like to color in the little boxes next to my PV so that way I reach my goals for the month. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day, you guys.